Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Focus Mk3 radio. First, gather your tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard. Also, have a Torx T25 screwdriver ready for the screws. A soft cloth is useful to prevent scratches. Make sure your car's ignition is completely off before starting. Now, let's begin by removing the trim panel around the radio. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away, starting from the bottom edge. Work your way around the entire panel, releasing the clips. Be careful not to use excessive force. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the trim. With the trim panel removed, you will now see the radio unit. Locate the 4 Torx T25 screws holding it in place. 2 screws are typically at the top and 2 at the bottom. Unscrew all 4 completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit forward from the dashboard. Support its weight as you pull. Finally, it's time to disconnect the wiring. At the back of the radio, you'll find several electrical connectors and the antenna cable. Carefully press the release tabs on each plug and gently pull them out. Once all connections are free, you can carefully slide the radio unit completely out of the dashboard opening. Store it in a safe place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.